Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got a full beard at the age of 16 to 17. This video is going to be divided in 3 parts. The first part is going to be why beards are important. The second part is going to be the science behind beards. And the third part is going to be the ways to grow a beard. The timestamps are right in front of you. If you wanted to skip ahead to a part, you can do that. But I'll suggest you to watch the whole video so that you can kind of gain the whole perspective behind beards. So hey guys, my name is Aarya. You're watching StreetStyleScape, where we talk about men's grooming, streetwear, men's fashion in general, lifestyle. So if it sounds like your thing, please consider subscribing to this channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get notification whenever I upload a new video. So let's get straight into it with the first part, that is why beards are so important, why it's an overall better look for a man, and why it's so trending nowadays. Well, the very first thing would be you look like a man, you look masculine. If you have a beard, you can get rid of pimples and acne on that area, because I sure don't have any pimples in that area at all, neither acne. It protects you from sun damage, it protects you from dust and all the grime outside. And with a fuller beard, you can change your face shape accordingly. For example, if you have a boxier face, you can make it more longer by adding that length to your beard so that your face looks longer. But if you have a longer face on hand, you can add a little beard on the side so that you can get it that kind of a balanced look overall. Before getting into the ways you can grow your beard, you need to understand that the growth of your beard is directly correlated to the levels of testosterone your body produces. Testosterone is the hormone that is produced by your testicles. This very hormone affects and determines your appearance, your sexual development, and also the growth of your beard. And the other part that actually plays a huge role is genetics. Now, genetics, why is it important? Obviously, you know this. I don't want to tell you this, the whole part about genetics. However, this wasn't in my case. My grandfather, that's my dad's dad, he still at this age does not have a fuller beard. Like, I have a fuller beard than him. Even my dad, his hair and beard is still not connected. And I got a beard at like the age of 16. So yes, genetics doesn't always play a huge part, but it still plays a huge part. But in my case, it did not. And I feel the things that I'm gonna tell you in this video are something that I did, and I feel these helped me to grow a beard faster and quicker. Now, as you know, the basic science behind your beards and all that stuff that's going inside you, let's get into the ways how you can grow a thicker and fuller beard at an early age. The very first and basic thing would be have a good skincare routine, because having a skincare routine is crucial. It's important. You need to have your skin clean. It should have open pores. It should be completely clean. You should exfoliate it regularly and some other things so that you remove the dead skin. I just can't explain every single thing in this video about skincare routines. I've made skincare video, a basic skincare video that you can watch and follow accordingly. After you're done watching with this video, you can watch the other video, the skincare routine video. It's also linked in the description below. Number 2, take biotin supplements. Plain biotin supplements. Biotin is the supplement that gives you healthier hair and nails, because your nails and hair are made up of the same thing that's called keratin. But before intaking any supplements, any kind of supplements, make sure you consult your doctor or physician in order to take them. It's crucial, guys. It can have serious problems, like not too much, but for some people it could be a problem, so just consult once to your doctor or physician before taking any supplements. Number 3, apply minoxidil on your face. This is what kind of helped me fill in the gaps between my beards, the patches in my beards. Minoxidil is a medication that's used for male pattern baldness and hair loss, and also could be used as a hair growth stimulant. Well, a beard growth stimulant. So use this every night before you sleep, after your nighttime routine. Apply this and then sleep. Number 4, you remember what I said about testosterone in the previous part? If you don't, I suggest you to watch that part because it's important for this point. You can boost your testosterone levels. Not by injections, but naturally boost your testosterone. And how do you do that? For that, you have to be physically active and healthy. Work out at least 3 times per week and eat clean with more portions of protein. And I know this is quarantine time, and if it's not possible for you to go to the gyms, I completely understand. I've made a video on how you can work out at home. A simple workout that will take just 30 minutes, around 30 minutes, so you can work out at home and stay in shape. The video is going to be right here, and also I've linked the video in the description below so you can watch it later. Please don't inject testosterone inside you, because hey, it has some serious side effects. Long story short, if you start to inject testosterone inside you, your body will kind of get used to it and won't produce testosterone by itself. So you have to rely on those injections for the rest of your life, kind of, and it's gonna be horrible, believe me. So in conclusion, it's not at all worth it. Boost your testosterone the natural way. Number 5, massage with castor oil or grapeseed oil. These two oils are really potent and they bring in the hair growth. So every night before sleeping and after your night care routine, massage with any of these oils onto the beard area. These oils are obviously going to help, but by massaging, you are stimulating blood flow, which promotes hair growth. So that was it, guys. But time for a fun fact. Have an active sex life. Yes, that's true. Having sex regularly increases the testosterone levels by up to 40%. So that's just amazing, right? What excuse do you even need to have sex?
Just do it!
However, I'm not talking about masturbation. Masturbation and sex are not completely the same, and it will kind of defeat the whole purpose. Actually, it goes all the way opposite to having sex. And in general, it's not good for you. Hashtag porn ki maka, hashtag nofap. So guys, make sure you follow all of these tips and you're gonna see some improvement for sure. But here's the hard-hitting fact, guys. This is the sad truth. Puberty hits everyone at different times. So none of you are actually the same. Some are gonna have a beard early, some are gonna have it a little late. Even if you're in the same age group, it's gonna be different for everyone. So don't worry if you don't get a full beard ASAP. Give yourself some time. It's gonna happen. Don't worry at all. Let me know if these tips work for you. You can DM me on Instagram. The link is down in the description below. My Instagram handle is @StreetStyleScape. So you can follow me there and get regular updates about my videos. Also, let me know how do you like the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you don't, give it a thumbs down and let me know why you did not like this video so that I can improve my future videos thanks to your reviews. Also, if you want me to make some other videos on some other topics that you want, DM me on Instagram or directly comment down below. Comment whatever you feel, guys, because this is what really helps to kind of push my channel from YouTube. So comment and engage and share this video, and also consider subscribing for more such content. I'm coming up with more fashion related, streetwear related videos in the coming days. Also, share this video with your beardless friend that doesn't have a beard yet and help him with this video. So guys, thank you so much again for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.